If you're considering buying Simcorner, there are a few key things you need to know before making a purchase. This platform can offer an edge for your gaming needs, but you'll want to make sure it's the right fit for you, especially with the competition out there. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect from Simcorner and whether it's worth your investment. Let's start with the first thing you should know. Simcorner provides a complete gaming experience, but it's not your typical simulator. Unlike some competitors, Simcorner offers a mix of flexibility and user-friendliness that can help both beginners and seasoned gamers. What sets it apart is how easy it is to set up and customize. Some other platforms like Racing Sim Studio might have more in-depth features, but they come with a steeper learning curve. Simcorner manages to strike a balance by offering an easy-to-navigate interface while still giving you enough tools to tweak your experience. Next thing you should know, while Simcorner offers a variety of simulation features, it's not as specialized as some of the high-end brands out there. For example, if you're looking for a hyper-realistic flight simulator, other competitors might be a better fit. But if you're someone who enjoys a more versatile platform that can handle racing, flight, and other simulation types, then Simcorner offers great value for its price range. It's really about the trade-off between realism and ease of use. The third thing to keep in mind is Simcorner's community and support. Unlike some smaller platforms, Simcorner has a pretty solid community where you can find guides, tips, and troubleshooting advice. The platform does well in providing customer support, but the community aspect really makes a difference. You're more likely to get help from fellow users than on some of the more niche competitors. In fact, some users even share custom mods and setups that you can implement into your game to enhance the experience, something that gives Simcorner a distinct edge in terms of user involvement. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is the pricing. When it comes to Simcorner's subscription model, it's more affordable than many of its competitors. With the growing demand for simulation platforms, the market has seen some companies charging a premium for even basic features, but Simcorner keeps things relatively budget-friendly. If you're just getting into gaming simulators, or you're looking for something that won't break the bank, it's definitely worth considering. It also has a more flexible trial option, so you can test it before committing to a full subscription. Next thing. It's worth noting that Simcorner continuously updates its software. This is crucial because many simulators can become outdated quickly, but Simcorner provides consistent patches and new features. While other platforms might leave their users hanging, especially with larger versions of simulators, Simcorner puts in the work to improve and adapt based on user feedback. This is important for longevity, and if you're someone who values a product that evolves, you'll appreciate this ongoing development. The sixth thing to know is the hardware compatibility. Simcorner doesn't demand a top-of-the-line gaming PC to function well, which is a big plus for those who are working with mid-tier setups. Many competitors require a serious investment in hardware, but with Simcorner, you can enjoy the experience without needing to upgrade your system. If you're a casual gamer or just don't want to spend on high-end equipment, Simcorner works efficiently with a wider range of hardware. Finally, the seventh thing you need to know is that Simcorner really does offer great value for the features it includes. Compared to some of the higher-end competitors, it doesn't fall short in delivering a solid experience, even though it's not as focused on one specific genre. Whether you're into racing, flying, or other simulation types, Simcorner brings everything together without feeling overcomplicated. If you want to try out Simcorner, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software and unlock some exclusive benefits. You won't regret giving it a try, especially if you're looking for an accessible yet powerful simulator to level up your gaming experience.